Welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure. And today we're going to make a Lego bee.
Whoa. You got it all wrong. We're not making a Lego bee. We're making a Minecraft fabric bee. Minecraft fabric bee. Make sure you remember that. Anyway, let's get started.
Okay, let's get started.
You will need a 4x4 inch 5 pieces of yellow fabric for your body and 2 1x1 light blue pieces for your eyeballs, 2 2x2 black square pieces for your eyes, 2 1x2 black pieces of fabric for your antenna, 1x4 inch 8 pieces of brown fabric for stripes, 1x4 inch 8 pieces of yellow fabric for stripes, 1.5x4 inch 4 pieces of brown fabric for your thick stripes, 4x4 inch 1 piece of brown fabric for your bottom. Last but not least, 2 6.5 by 4.5 white pieces for your wings. Our wings are cut zigzag, but if you don't want zigzag, you can always just make rectangle wings 6.5 by 4.5 or create your own zigzag design for your wings. Now we're going to start with making our eyes. So you'll get your black eye parts and your blue pieces and put your blue pieces on your black eyes the way you want them. Then you'll sew the blue pieces on the black. You've finished sewing on your eyeballs to your eye parts, you're going to get your face, your bee's face, no worries, and then sew on the eye parts to your bee. Make sure you line it up nicely. Now that you have finished sewing on your eyes, you're going to get your 2 antennae and line it up to your top and your blue eyeball part. Then you'll get one of your big square yellow pieces and line up the top, the bottom, and all the sides together. Then you'll sew the top of it. Now that you've finished attaching your antenna, you will get the rest of your 3 pieces and sew them on the 3 leftover sides. Fold them in, line them up, then sew. Then do that for the other 2. Now that you have finished sewing your 3 pieces, you're going to get your yellow and black stripes, line up your black stripe to the yellow square, sew it, then continue on with that step, but for the rest of the strip. After you're done sewing all your stripes onto your bee, you'll get your big thick black piece for your bottom and line it up with any side, then sew it at the edge. Finish sewing on your big black piece, you'll get your wings and sew all around it. After sewing all around it, then you'll attach it to your bee. Now that you have sewn your wings and stuffed them if you would like to, you're going to place them where you want them, then sew directly down on each side to attach your wings to your bee. Once you finish attaching your wings, you're going to fold your bee together in half, then sew down to attach two sides of your bee together. After you finish sewing all four sides, you'll go to the brown bottom part and sew to the sides, then turn it inside out, so then you can stuff it. After you finish sewing the brown part, you will now turn it outside out. Make sure you pull carefully so you don't undo any of the stitching. Almost there! Now, all you have to do is stuff it. Stuffing party! Stuffing!
My bee is so close to being finished. The only thing we have left is to do our final stitch.
Now that I finished my bee, this is what it looks like.
Wow, cool bee!
Cool bee! Yours is purple?
Mine's
cool.
Mine's a blueberry. Hers is great.